Please be good to me. That's what we want from our friends, our partners, our relatives, right? Please be good to me. There is a great problem with this demand. The father can be the most corrupt person possible in the office, but performs the role of a great father, a great sire to the kids. The fellow can be the most violent person possible, heading an animal slaughter factory, but to the wife, he is a loving husband. We see that all around, right? Now, that's why these things crack open. Because the kind of behavior this person is displaying towards the kids or the wife is just a role, not his nature. And roles begin and roles end. Just as you put on your shirt and then take it off. Like, don't you say? One hat, then the next hat. And then you wonder, how come the fellow has suddenly become disloyal or disinterested? No, nothing has happened suddenly. He was in one character and now he has moved to another character. Would have been far more wise of you to choose someone on his nature rather than his action.